I will now demonstrate to you how to use JORDAHL Expert software to design a top-of-slab bracket connection to an anchor channel. The software provides calculations compliant with the Anchor Channel Evaluation Report based on ICC-ES Acceptance Criteria 232. This example reviews a typical facade connection using a bracket and an anchor channel positioned on the top of a floor slab. The design software allows the loads on the bracket to be entered directly when specifying the load conditions. The program then calculates the loads on the T-bolts, taking all eccentricities into consideration. It is possible to select an appropriate bracket via this drop-down menu in the menu bar. In this case, a top-of-slab bracket is selected. Once a position has been created in Project Administration, an appropriate anchor channel is selected in the Channels and T-bolts section. In this case, the default settings are adopted unaltered. The concrete geometry and properties are entered in the next step. Cracked concrete with a strength of 5,000 psi and a slab thickness of 10 inches are selected. The anchor channel is positioned on the top of floor slab with an edge distance of 5 inches. We can now begin entering the bracket dimensions and the loads for this example. The bracket geometry and the bracket position on the anchor channel are defined here. A typical bracket size is as follows. The loads are then specified after entering the bracket parameters. The typical dead load of a curtain wall can be taken as 500 pounds with a wind load of 4,500 pounds. Pressing the Results button displays possible anchor channels and their corresponding utilization in the Results overview. In this example, a JTA W5334 anchor channel and a matching T-bolt are selected. All input data and verification checks can be examined in the result printout. The input data for the bracket and the calculated loads on the T-bolts are given on the third page. Then the pressure point of the bracket on the concrete surface is shown. In order to document the results, this output report is integrated in the structural analysis of the building as a whole and may be submitted for examination. More tutorials and information on anchor channels can be found on our website at www.deconusa.com.